Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find and share your Fiverr profile link. This is incredibly useful when you want to promote your services on social media, send your profile directly to potential clients, or include it in your email signature. First things first, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. This will take you to your Fiverr homepage where you can access all your account features and settings. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there, which represents your account. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This action will navigate you directly to your personal Fiverr profile page where all your gigs, reviews, and professional information are displayed. This is essentially your storefront on Fiverr, and it's what potential buyers see when they're considering working with you. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Share button. You'll find it positioned right beside your profile picture, making it easy to spot. Click on this Share button and you'll see a few sharing options pop up. These options are designed to help you distribute your profile link across different platforms quickly and efficiently. From the options presented, select Copy Link. This instantly copies your unique Fiverr profile URL to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Whether you're messaging a client directly, posting on LinkedIn, adding it to your website, or sharing it in a freelance community, having this link copied means you can immediately distribute it without any extra steps. And that's all there is to it. You've now got your Fiverr profile link ready to share, allowing you to expand your reach and connect with more potential clients across the web. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.